So I was on the phone with a client of mine who I've worked with in the past, and is a very wonderful person and one of my favorite clients. And he brought up the idea of the fact that he wanted to invest in a condo. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you why I told him to wait and not do it and potentially do it around November, December. This video is being recorded as of September 9th, 2020. I made a couple of videos recently on downtown condos. Most chiefly, I think what you should watch is the one where I said why investor demand is low. You can go ahead and watch that video right now, but I'll summarize it quickly and very quickly, losing a lot of detail. But the main sentiment was that because of the new regulations on short-term rentals, a lot of factors having to do with the COVID and multiple other factors, all in sum total, lead into a investor disadvantaged market, even though it is a buyer's market right now for condominiums. So let me just clarify that right now, right? As I've said many times, there exists a increase and oversupply of inventory, meaning the supply simply does not match the demand. Right now, the demand, if there is some, which there obviously is far exceeded and surpassed by the supply, leading the prices to decrease, both in the rental markets and the purchase and sale markets. You may ask yourself, well, if the prices are low, why are you telling your investor not to buy? Well, even though it is a buyer's market, it is a end user's buyer's market. Even though in today's market, I can afford my client a much cheaper condo for investment purposes than they would have been able to get previously due to the market status and my expertise and skill, I personally think it's going to continue to dip. As I spoke recently in another video regarding the August market stats, everything was up in suburban areas in terms of detached, semi-detached. Days on market were lower, there were more active listings, there were more listings sold for a higher price. Everything was up, and what was not matching that trend were condos. Condos were in some cases down and in some cases up, but at a very decreased rate. For example, look at this year-over-year percentage change of the month of August, wherein detached homes were up 19%, semi-detached homes were up 18%, and townhomes were up 16%. Condo apartments, and this is GTA wide now, right? Like I said, in some certain areas they're actually down, but GTA wide, they were only up 9%. Now you might be asking yourself, well, why are you saying only 9%? This is in sharp contrast to all previous months and previous years that I've looked at these reports, wherein condominiums are in some cases higher and have seen a further increase than townhomes, or on par with them, even semi-detached homes in some cases. The detached, semi-detached, and townhomes are only within 1% to 2 percentage points, wherein the condo apartments are lagging about half the percentage points, meaning 9 percentage points behind a semi-detached or detached. And these are only reflecting August sales. Most of these regulations that are causing these prices to dip and investors and owners of condos to influx the market with their condominiums and sell at the same time, all of these rules, regulations, the pandemic, the results of which I don't think we're going to truly see until November and September. So I suspect that this is going to get even worse. As a result, that's why I told my client, look, I can buy you something right now for a good price, but if you're willing to wait, and if you can wait, I can buy you something way better in a couple of months, even maybe November, December. Anyways, that's just a quick video, quick by my standards maybe. Thanks for watching. My contact information is in the description box. Comment, rate, and review. Get in touch with me if you want. And yeah, thanks for watching.